Guys, one of my favorite companies sent me a package in the mail, and it's Medicinal Foods. They are the people who also created the Love Tonic powder that I share a lot in my stories. That helps with hormonal balance. It's really great for women in general. They sent me a little box of goodies, so I'm going to show you what I got. So, let's see what we got here. Okay, ooh. Okay, I got a Lover's Bar, macadamia nut and sea salt. That sounds amazing. I got 2 of those actually. And then I got a dark chocolate version. So yeah, it's chocolate, but let me tell you about this freaking chocolate, you guys. These aren't just any type of chocolate. These have a lot of health benefits. And you get to have a little treat as well. They are raw, organic, and vegan, which is why I love them so much as well. They have everything from superfoods, tonic herbs, aphrodisiacs, medicinal mushrooms, and maca. So you can have a treat while your body is reaping the benefits of everything that's in this bar. I mean, how could you not, right? It has reishi, cordyceps, ashwagandha, spirulina. Oh my God, hemp. Just, guys, this is amazing. Let's have some. Let's check this out. Okay, let's do the macadamia one first. Okay, so macadamia. Oh, and let's see what the sugar content is, because I'm really big on that as well. Okay, so the sugar is from, let's see, raw cane juice. So that must be where the sugar's from. So that's awesome. That's an awesome form of sugar if you're gonna have sugar. And there's only 6 grams of sugar for half a chocolate bar, you guys. That's amazing. Okay, so here we go. Let's see, is it gonna, I don't know if it's actually, it's trying to get my face, but okay, so let's take another package here. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. The macadamians, all of that. Oh my gosh. Okay, macadamia nut, here we go. I love sweets, but I'm very particular in what I eat because I don't want all that sugar, you know? Sugar is also not really good for, you know, your hormones, bouncing out your hormones, keeping your immune system high. You don't want a lot of sugar. So that was freaking amazing. Wow. Just wow. And then the dark chocolate one. It's really cool to know that you can have a treat that has low sugar as well as like super herbs in it to just like, okay, let's try just the dark chocolate one. Tastes amazing. Yeah, this totally would solve your sweets cravings 100%. Oh my God. I love this. Guys, this is amazing. I'm going to put the link in my post, as well as I will tag them in this so you can go freaking check them out, you guys. Their products are amazing. I've loved every single thing that I've gotten from them. And it's just like natural, vegan, raw, everything that you need for your body. So freaking awesome. You got to check it out.